all. If you now want to get out of no on if you're quite one entirely. Kennedy is got no honor, only anymonium. I'm sorry. Kennedy is got money. But me a fear me what dignity change Kennedy Japan. There is no way, sir. Me and Kennedy Japan has appeared in a community that nobody knows us. Yeah, Yabema Kennedy Japan. It can't happen.
Me ade ba ko pa me blame MPP for penny phone say.
One year
Nipa bia no money nipa nante e senka mu hunu suman. Ti mu top people in there. Mu nante e senka mu steady in tam kra. Me need the enter senka mu di contract na sumgu no so a.
Ebusian for ha Ghana 7 TV GH mestre or like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
And so some of the things that made Bawumia stood out was his digitalization. Bawumia, we were seeing 2017, 2018, whilst Bawumia was seeing 2025, 26, 27. You see, Bawumia doesn't sound realistic to most Ghanaians because they don't have that foresight, and you can't blame them. Let me tell you one thing. As a frequent traveler, what used to kill me is when you get to the airport and you have to fill that immigration form, Jesus Christ. And not just filling the form. You get to meet Ghana former baby and I am a minimum to kind. The minute you start filling your form, you will see 10 women, 20 women lining up. Sometimes my brother no koja me kwan airport no. I will end up giving him like 15 cards. Kwabna fili way, I'm so fili way. And then, Bawumia came and that thing is gone. Say, your Ghana card is everything. As a businesswoman, I've said it again. Mobile money is and me who can interoperability or whatever.
And one wakano. Mobile money interoperability. Okay.
That thing is more than gold. If you are not a business person, you won't get it. But if you are somebody who deals with money all the time, that is an issue. As someone, the voice of MPP, America Hameteno. All I need is to show up at any hospital and let them type in my social security number, all my medical information burning. All my medical information from the day I step in America, I call hospital, to every other hospital, to every other medication. Dear mommy, it will pop up the minutes. Ubebo me social security number. Yes. It's you any medical doctor that attends to you must have your medical history. It's missing. But who brought that medical history? Bawumia and the system never I feel qua utia where as a doctor and now we shall see a card so there be called doctor in Bibia. Eye Bawumia and the disaster system no. You see, Bawumia be moving Ghana so forward that people thought it was a joke. Say this is for by Bawumia ideas ni bebre omo wia. They can't even master it. They're trying to. They're trying to work around it. Now,
yes,
as somebody who is attracted to intelligence, who else should I choose? What the Bawumia to ncheya? Anas sorry me anas. MPP ba so for na no ye expose bi. Sa expose no e na kwesi nya ntachi asem ne ba mu no. Wo kai so mo try so be bribe Bawumia office obi anye. Okay.
Obi anye, say if you obi anye, Satan obi anye.
There was an expose, gold expose. Also, in that gold expose, Gideon Boakon, Bawumia P no crowd. They tried to bribe him. What's my boss there? Untimi.
Bibi sa
There. It tells you about integrity. There, it tells you about integrity.
Sister Fia numstabia me ensama me
At the end, Bawumia is disciplined. Yes, leadership by example. Me who say Bawumia no akasetia will be that. Bawumia don't throw shades. On shady will be a. Or kasa or kanasem. Now I head now what the name offbeat as I come home. Now we call the baby. One shady will be a. Bawumia wo bono no. Now I head now wo ba. Who chasing no. Wo pamu no kwa no ben. This is the qualities of a leader. I am not saying he's holy or holier than thou.
Debbie or
But qualities now or exhibiting were bonteno. The position of the presidency, and your first gentleman, and yet the first rich man, and yet the first hooligan,
Debbie
and yet the first riffraff. The position of the president of every country, is referred to as the first gentleman.
Precisely.
Not the first rich man.
Precisely.
Not the first tyrant. Not the first riffraff. Not the first businessman. Not nipa wano na ayo cocaine and yeska. Net you work and your cost to a human year or presidency. Yakofa cost to ra. I'm not betraying. And if we are talking about the first president of a country and a very, very educated party like NPP, party of the elites, your political party in the four and in answer for my NPP. Now more confirm will be so we made one no. Now we made the first gentleman away. Is that what NPP is telling Ghanaians? When did education lose its value to this extent? Then what is discipline? Is NPP telling us that anybody can go and make money and come and rule them? Is that what they're telling the general public? Is that what it is? Okay, they Japan to be in this competition based on this audio now, it's an insult. This audio should have been a direct disqualification.
Simple.
This audio now, Mebono, should be a disqualification.
Of you people and your threats. You can't Ghana former. Say girls you will become. Remember, you need a be a term. And you will become. Manu. Everywhere you are talking. Now, say man would die. Things that come out of a man is so disgusting that we don't want to discuss. And you
who vetted and approved this man? Who vetted and approved? Why, Mama?
No,
Papa, wait, I will take her audio way no. And can you enough?
Afia no show mama.
Ade.
Afia no show no monsieur. Mama nyina fisha pa mama good afternoon. Hey, boys.
Mama Debbie and then I'm taking the young cop. Mama yanko
Meba. Delegate.
Yay.
Mesramo. Yadapa ne de abeto ho no. Delegate. Tabe, yase mo ma benom, mo sisters, mo aunties, mo mamba. Yase ya something no, ya friend na amodi. Na so Canada de watumi abodi nti meka kire mo. Wo se ye twe kankan. Delegate. Canada Japan say ye twe mu kankan.
Tieni.
Woman ne mu Ghana fo be ma no mu bi o no ka ho no. Wo se mo ne ye ndawia. Near free your home bano, na teche, a chen call gotem.
Oh, Jesus.
Delegate may cast so much memory. Yenim someone munyansa delegate, a yenim someone de. Ye jimudi, someone kotoaba makanedi da. Every say way, the NDC for here is speaker so, and the pen drive. Na mami musa wo a delegate a wo yere. Wo ma. Woni baba kwa wo nua, woni nua ba kwa wo fase. Woni wo fase kwa wo adamfo a wo baba. Woni adamfo kura mpo na wo busuani a na oba wo so so ni bi so de a na wo maame wo yo ba no wo. Se wo ye delegate oba wo be ma mami musa wo. Se wo koyi Kennedy na NDC for the pen drive. Ni speakers come market. Na wo as a delegate. Woti asem we ya Kennedy kache yen Ghana forma. Say ye twebun kankan. Ye be mu kankan. Moni ende area ni free hoba. Eche nkole gotemo. Me pacha wo. Ede na ubeka. Me pacha betimi abe defend way. Delegate. App ya yete so no monfa boni meto fom. Yenya ye support MPP. Na ye do ye papa doctor no. Yenya ye kasama party do. One more edi Kennedy echi no. Me catch mu 99-98% obi NDC for. Wana ne baba be defend this asem we. We am pen as a president. And ye ne ma Ghana former sabi monimo mo am was meto mo sabi ne nipa ha nan ne echi amunja so na sabi e ma ye twem kankan ye de be yenwom. God bless our home. And yes, a ma Ghana for twem kankan for. Me pa chawo ebe kwa ma usai. We ni nipa mo so medi MPP edim na MPP bone be na ye mo. MPP be ye Ghana bone be. Say enko for ba wo to Ghana for na mamu nsamo. Ghana asase na yete so no yo ba wo. Ye friend asase ya. Ye na nano no. Ye na nano mu fie chire tete. Ebe pie Ghana no mbe to bibi. Asase bia yo ba na de mbe to no so yo ba. Me pese me kacha mse Kennedy we di Ghana asase na nkasa tem. Na Ghana asase afeno. Na ombe lidi yenda no matter what. Say ye ma ye jina. Na sebi asase ya bosumi bia. Yamane moja no mono. Kennedy wuntu mi mfasa adie na. Ye dissatisfy asase ne meka. Ma ye mfa me ye leader. Delegate yesra mu mani da ho. Munyem de be ya ma yen. Kennedy say on fata. So baba be lead the MPP party. Asem we enyu. Na asem we enyan. Na asem we etan. Na asem we abomination. As a second day Japan sem ne nka ye mai. Ya twe ne twe de. Di ne gira hempon akese anim wo Ghana. E di ne gira ye nananom ahemafo anim. Ama Kennedy wa pata Ghana asase. Etwa nwan etwa Ghana ho nyina hia because why you boni etia Ghana asase. Why you boni etia wiase man nyina. No why you boni etia osoro. Enti se delegate mu koyi se nipa we bade a. Ene na mo ye nyina boni. Na mo ye Ghana ma boni. Na mo ye wiase nyina boni. Emba emma so da. Delegate misramo. Enye so bi ka bibi o. Na sebi ye papa Bawumia. Say you no na what did MPP atam edidi mpanimfo atam akache MPP say ya kromfo yet say abekasa asemufi asem kakraka asem nyenyen ya kaye bedi dachi never nanso esanse nim de abone ma na sebe kafra wo wonyankopo wonsiesie no kura nyansa ne nimde no ne nimde kura ma ne kwan dada biarada sa no ma abampo papa be kasetiano na nto se wo man fi se wo dwene a wo dwene hyehyeye pa wo de beba be pagya wo man Ghana se ye papa doctor adwene a wo dwene niama papa wo de beba be gwa kwama pagya wo man Ghana de na du mpempen so enye de obeka che yense madafaka enye that little punk Kennedy wo ye punk na wo utumi mai di enye MPP animu da na anu ka sembi Also, the Kwame Nkrumah ideology be adwuma. Kwame Nkrumah is CPP. Go and join the CPP.
Omo here leader.
Go and join them.
Again,
Again, MPP there, delegate, ye jimudi. Munya mistake da. Nkoyi ya papa Dr. Bawumia maye. Nye nyina me bomo chidom. Ye me ye campaign chenchenche. Nye fo say ye. Na Dr. Mra. No me peja Ghana. Shem ye kachira mo. Yo na mo hu nyina no ye NDC fo. Ye no me go apiso. Ye di mo wom. Wom na support Kennedy. Adentia. Wom se mo kofa Kennedy mra. Na mo di ne ba NDC akoma to mo yam say from hwe tetem bia o mo keka ho nsebe ne tetem bia wo mo ndi tete ho wo ma sheda
119 million
wo
last
ma
week.
sheda wo ma sheda wo ma sheda wo mo pese mo kofa ne ba na mo adwuma ne ye poliwati aba poliwati wakaba tie ama wo na mo di speakers ni kosisi wiase ba bia brono bia so kuro bia so Ghana on the pen drive da shim no ma botwe kankan etwe kankan amagana fueti medama se afia medase awie ma no ato.
This is a message to all these bootlicking sycophants of the NDC. You can't say na mo ababontin and dollar is 10 cedi, dollar is 10 cedi. Na nka dollar mo asesa 10 billion US dollar edi akoto anka engina hemfa mweni nguase. In layman terms no nka mu di dollar yikura ho faso akura mpo na anka yese na efata. Because imagine say once the sawangasa usika 10 billion edi akoto a designer bia was a trendy. Now about bonti no designer no trendy. Eno na bomu nyina no. Mo penyimfo na mo nimi nyansa yedi bubu oman ya mo akotam omo edi abetena ho. Ena me sa omo de unrealistic policy edi abramo ho ewo campaign platform no di chimie ekoto abafon edi semfo dead goat edi abetena so ntino. Wa hu se ne emusi bre. Sebu mema Ghana fo agya tum say dollar eye 10 cedi. Ana say mo anya single digit inflation. Modwin se nkosia keka na yede bubu oman wo hu. Modwin se sa na yede bubu oman. Ene omo yedi omo bia sika na eka dollar is 10 cedi, dollar is 10 cedi. Ye ka kire mo. Kamo kura to me the dollar to 10 cedi no fon fast wo kura enka ese na efata. Odwin say MPP for na ye nim say ye be se sika ade akoto fake dollar to come and impress you sycophants. But ye dey no kure any nimidie any nyansa di bubu oman ena ye benya dollar single digit inflation Ghana for di hu faso ye di hu faso yan sisa 10 billion ankoto dollar but NPP bet na so no ye ma mo sycophants ni nyina yi 1 year grace period of tax free. Ye useless ye penyifo a munimi nyansa nti o mbete na aban so no yan sisa Ghana for sika 10 billion dollars ankoye artificial injection to get a single digit inflation ye dinimdia ne nyansa kwan ebubu aman no ama ye benya single digit inflation ye born for 3 good years na mo sycophants ni nyina edi ho faso na nka obia nsi street say okoye demonstration against government say ya antua ne ka sana single digit inflation etimi ye juma emanipa na mo nkwasiam penyinfo dead goat syndrome ya modi abetena ho nyansa wo be kase fa nyansa kwa so na ko kasa na enye obroni dekora na yemfa sikansha ne nsa na ofa mbema Ghana fo ho ehenhan omo oni bi enu nti no 10 billion US dollars na mo asesa e de akota dollar is 10 cedi enti ye ka hira mo di ho faso kra ye se na e fata. Because once is 10 billion edi akoto dollar anka enjina he wasiafo anka dollar ni enjina he Mosisa ye taxpayer sika anka ye wose modi tua aban juma ye fo omo arrears a omo yiro mo hu ye juma 11 months a mo antua moka na mosisa sa sika no kwasiafo di koto dollar no anka dollar no enjina he mfa na mo ya de bone na ebe kasa na sycophant bootlicking idiot na mo ba be jina ni paso and a dollar is 10 cedi anka enjina he fa na mo sisa 10 billion e de kwato dollar no anka enjina he enjina 14 enjina baby amwa mo abeje no
NPP for G 10 billion koto dollar no, but ye free abanso, ye janu manu ye 14, and a mobeji ye. More sisa whooping 10 billion, at ya koto dollar, wouldn't mean yansan ye de bubu or mighty, na ye can't say man, I was a you know, and a dollar is 10 cedi. And no crop on the mundi home fast war. Cloud chasing, but licking praises in Kwana Monam social media na moya. Dollar ye 10 cedi moon to mean tiaka. Dollar ye 10 cedi moon to mean for Biajuma. Dollar ye 10 cedi moon to mean tia arias. Dollar ye 10 cedi moon ya ejuma ya for na allowances edda hwa aban biaba wotu ya omoka edrumo so this dead goat syndrome ya omunyinedi na mo sori ankwa siafo ya ka sema na ma begina ya ho and a dollar is 10 cedi. Komodi ho fa so krampo na nkai se na efata. Wo sisa 10 billion e de akoto dollar nkai engina hemfa. Ko siafo amwa chimi amwa didi bini na modeda.